Hey guys, it's James from gigapress.net. Today, we will be learning how to speed up your WordPress site. Why does website speed matter? You definitely know that a slow website can drive visitors away and hurt your SEO rankings. On the other hand, if your website is lightning fast, you'll be able to drive more traffic, provide a better user experience, and ultimately make more money. So how quickly does your site need to load? Well, the faster the better. Generally, your pages should load in 2 seconds or less. If your website isn't that fast, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you some simple and effective ways to speed up your WordPress site. First, choose the right web host. Your hosting provider plays a huge role in your site's speed. It's important to choose a reliable hosting provider that prioritizes speed and optimizes your server environment accordingly. Good thing GigaPress meets the criteria. GigaPress provides lightning-fast hosting, which is essential for delivering a great user experience. Their servers are optimized for speed, ensuring that your website loads quickly. Plus, they perform daily backups, so you can rest assured that your data is safe, which is why it's my go-to WordPress hosting recommendation, especially for those just getting started. So go to gigapress.net/WordPress-hosting or just click the link in the description below. The second way to speed up your site is by choosing a lightweight theme. When it comes to WordPress themes, less is more. Therefore, avoid themes that are bloated with unnecessary features. A lightweight theme ensures that your site loads quickly and efficiently. Themes like GeneratePress and Astra are optimized for speed and performance. Or you can click the link in the description below to find out the top 4 fastest WordPress themes. Another way to speed up your site is by keeping your plugins under control. Like themes, plugins add code to your site that can slow your performance. How can you manage your plugins? Go to your WordPress dashboard, then head over to Plugins and select Installed Plugins. Here you can go through your plugins one by one. And for each plugin, ask yourself, do I really need this functionality? If the answer is no, delete it. By deleting your unnecessary plugins, your site can load much faster for returning visitors. But how many plugins should you use on your WordPress site? Honestly, the number of plugins isn't the real issue. What really matters is how they affect your site's performance. So, instead of focusing on the number, I recommend analyzing your plugins to see how they impact your site's speed. You can look for performance profiler plugins, then run a performance scan, and it will show you which plugins are slowing down your site the most. Another way to speed up your WordPress site is by keeping your software updated. By keeping it up to date, you ensure that your site benefits from the latest advancements in speed and performance. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain a fast and efficient website. To install the latest update, go to your WordPress dashboard, then go to Updates. Here you can find your current version or the available version you need to install. You can click the option Enable Automatic Updates for all new versions of WordPress to streamline this process. Cleaning up your homepage can also help speed up your WordPress site. It should be clean and minimal to load quickly, and avoid using sliders since they slow down your site and don't convert well. Instead, use a static image with a simple, clear call to action. Show post excerpts instead of full posts to avoid making the homepage too long and slow. Or you can use pagination to limit the number of posts displayed, which you can adjust in your settings. Go to your dashboard and find Settings, then select Reading. Here you will find an option, Blog Pages Show at Most. I generally like to show 5 to 7 posts per page. And don't forget to save your changes. Changing your WordPress login URL can also speed up your site. Why is it so? Your site will load faster if you change the WordPress login URL, since it can reduce the number of brute force attacks. These attacks can overwhelm your server with login attempts, slowing down your site. By changing the login URL, you make it harder for attackers to find the login page, thus reducing the load on your server and improving site performance. Another way to speed up your site is by using caching plugins. A caching plugin creates a static version of your pages, so it doesn't have to rebuild them from the database every time someone visits. This reduces load times and improves performance. I recommend using WP Rocket. It's actually much more than a caching plugin. It's an all-in-one solution to speed up WordPress and supercharge your site's performance. Disable pingbacks can also reduce unnecessary server load and can speed up your WordPress site. By default, WordPress allows notifications from other blogs, which don't add value to your readers but can slow down your site. To turn this off, go to your dashboard, then Settings, and select Discussion. In the default post settings, uncheck Allow link notifications from other blogs, pingbacks, and trackbacks on new posts. This simple step helps optimize your site's performance. Finally, to speed up your WordPress site, you need to optimize images. Images are key to a website, but they can slow down performance if not optimized. You can either optimize them manually or use a plugin. Here's how. In manual optimization, before uploading images, resize them to the exact dimensions needed and choose the right file format. Use JPEG for images with many colors or smaller file size, and PNG for simpler images or when transparency is needed. You can also optimize with plugins like Imagify and Jetpack. Imagify resizes and compresses images as you upload, and Jetpack's free Site Accelerator speeds up image load times by hosting your images on their fast servers. Both plugins are easy to set up and make a big difference in improving your site's speed. And that's it! By following these methods, you can significantly speed up your WordPress site and provide a better experience. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit gigapress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.